friends, welcome back. It's Jenny. Today I'm making Dandelion Cranberry Granola. It is absolutely delicious and I hope you try it. Start off with a large baking sheet and line it with parchment paper and set that aside. In a separate bowl, go ahead and add 4 cups of old-fashioned oats. Then add 1 cup of raw pecan halves, a half cup of pepitas or pumpkin seeds, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and give that a good stir until it's nice and combined. Then add half cup of melted refined coconut oil, half cup of dandelion syrup. I bought this at Charlotte VegFest last fall and I'll leave the link below so that you can buy it too. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Spread out the granola in an even layer and bake in a 350-degree oven for about 22 to 23 minutes and give it a good stir halfway through. When it comes out, don't touch it and just let it sit on the counter for a few hours until it cools completely. After it's cooled down, you can go ahead and start breaking it into pieces. I like mine on the chunkier side, but you can make it smaller if you want as well. And to finish it off, add half cup of dried cranberries. Yum, this granola is absolutely delicious. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!